Hey, assalamu alaikum guys. Hi guys. Here I am back after iftari, after I broke my fast and did my prayers back to my model. So you see a whole layer of body filler that I put it here. And the reason why I did that, if I take you underneath this model here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but if you look closely, right down there, there's a dip there, right there. And that's the problem with the mold. For some reason, whoever made the master and the mold did not address that properly. So since it's a complete restoration and I've made the nose, you can see the nose is all done. So I decided to fill up that dip there, fill up that gap. It's about millimeter or so thick, and so I put a layer of a body filler, and I'm letting it cure. Then I'm gonna sand it nice and smooth and level it all out, so this will be done properly. I'll show you from the top and also from the other side. And the tail cone is right there. You guys can see the tail cone is coming out nicely. I've just put some more glazing putty on it, and to fix the imperfections that I had, and there were a bit of air pockets, holes, and fix those. You can see the fin. The top of the fins are fixed. Both of the angles are there now, which were rounded off before. And on this Concorde model, it's nice, it's perfectly fine, so I'm not gonna do that on this one. There's a couple of small little issues there, and on the tail cone and on the nose cone. I mean, I guess that's expected for a model of the age, but I'm gonna see what I can do about that. But I'm sure I'm going to fix the issue on this one too. I'm gonna fill the dip on here. I mean, I can see it, and I'm sure you guys may be able to. So it comes right underneath the cockpit, so that hole is gonna get fixed too, just like I'm fixing this guy here. So I'm gonna give you an update, and this is where we are, and hopefully by tonight all the sanding, all the bondo body work will be done, or at the most by tomorrow, and then she'll be ready for the primer. Alright guys, take care. Bye.